Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka Seng BJP Meghalaya Unit uba Ernest Mawrie mentakas ngi ka khat khandai tarik ukalalingkot Hajar Pulai ulaong baka Seng TMC ha West Bengal kala Pulom lut uba Ernest ulaong baka jila West Bengal kala syarem kat hadu ki kam an bat kade ka jila ka babam saptam uba Mawrie ula benrap da ka baong balada ka menteri rangba ka West Bengal ka Mamata Banerjee ka baderu ka chairperson ka TMC ka kwa shisha ban aya ka roy ka par ha ka jila ka de ban aishwa da ka nuksa ya ka jila la di komta na kalyang uba Ernest ula kerpat ipat ba ka jila bakin ailat ya ka Seng BJP la da ki kwa shisha ya ka ta ka roy ka par bat kum juru ya ka jingdon ni ki kam ki jam na ka benta ki khun samla Hapoh ka jila.
You see, you go through everything. West Bengal is failure, whether in terms of law and order, and it is the most corrupted state. So how come this V card or this B card they implement here? It's just a promise only, a lip service. If she really can provide that development in West Bengal, then she can give example. But we have collected the information and the report, totally is failure. No development in West Bengal. And law order also is very deteriorating.
So what will be your message to the people of the state?
I request and I appeal to the people in our state, give us a chance. If you want development and peace, if you want our youth to have more job, like you have seen last time, Prime Minister has promised to provide 10 lakh jobs to the youth, and he has already done this. In front of me, we have already distributed the appointment letters conducted by the Postal Department, by the Assam Rifle, almost 1,000 of youth from the Northeast also, they got this opportunity to have a job in different departments. So I appeal to the youth also, if they want to solve this problem, if you want that, now we are facing the unemployed. So the only way, you have to support us BJP. Give us chance. You have given chance to the UDP, you have given chance to the Congress before and now to NPP also. And I request the people in our state to give us chance for peace and development. You see, I agree with that. It is not like her statement. We want that double engine government. It means that if we have a government in Meghalaya, BJP and Delhi, then it will benefit for the people of our state. Not like it's West Bengal. West Bengal, you go and see what is happening in West Bengal. They have failed totally. No development in West Bengal. And now we have already discussed that our party from day by day they are getting the strain, and we are going to prepare because there will be a Panchayat election. So you just see in that BJP will win all the seats.